mind from the features I'm seeing already. I'm seeing a 32 gig ROM and a 4 gig RAM. That is really mad, and it is run by Android One OS. And the lovely thing about this, it has a stylus pen inside, just like not like the Note 4 that they just showed us stylus pen and it didn't have any stylus pen, which was really a big downside for that. So it has a 16 megapixel with an amazing 1.8 aperture. That is just crazy. And a 16 megapixel for selfie. How many phone has that? And a 4000 mAh battery and a metallic body. Wow. So I'm just going to go ahead to open the phone, the box right now. So there we go. I guess this is for if you want to repair your phone. Same thing as on the body. So this is the phone. Wow. So really nice, really sleek. There's the fingerprint scanner, the camera, and that's the other camera. Really nice. So before I boot on the phone, I'll just show, this is the manual that we all naturally don't read for some reasons, and this is the pen for the SIM card slot and memory card slot. But we don't read this, so I just drop this. And yeah, they gave us a pouch, really nice, and it has a cover for the charging port and for the headset jack. So we have the charger, the cord, and one thing I love about this is the charger, the X charge. You can see it's X charge, and well, the design is really nice, different from the normal ones we normally see. Really nice. So, and the earpiece here, came with the earpiece, an Infinix earpiece. So for this, so we have the stylus case, we have the charging port, we have the speaker, and here is the stylus. Really nice.